Hello, in this video we will teach you how to properly light and adjust a Bunsen burner. A Bunsen burner is a very useful tool for heating, sterilization, and combustion. Before you light the Bunsen burner, you must take some necessary safety precautions. Always wear goggles and an apron in the lab. Pull your hair back and remove loose clothing so that you will not catch on fire. Clear your lab table and check to make sure that there are no flammable materials near the Bunsen burner. To begin, let's take a closer look at a Bunsen burner. The port on the side can be attached by a rubber hose to the gas source on your lab table. Near the base is the needle valve, which is used to adjust the height of the flame. Farther up on the burner are the air ports, which control how hot the flame is. Set up your Bunsen burner by connecting it to the gas source with a rubber hose. Make sure the gas source is turned off at this point. Turn the needle valve away from you to allow the flow of gas and close the air ports so that the flame is not too hot when you first light it. To light the Bunsen burner, you will use a striker to create a spark. Practice creating a spark by firmly pressing the movable metal piece down while moving it across the flint strips in the center of the striker. Turn on the gas at your lab table and open the needle valve on the Bunsen burner. Then hold the striker a few inches above the Bunsen burner and strike until you create a flame. In order to adjust the flame height, open or close the needle valve until it is a few inches below your substance. A 3 to 4 inch flame is ideal. When looking at the flame, the ideal flame has a light blue inner and a dark blue outer. You can adjust the flame temperature with the collar at the top of the barrel. A more open barrel is a hotter flame. To turn off the Bunsen burner, close the needle valve and turn off the gas at your table. Now wait for the Bunsen burner to cool before you put away your equipment. Here are a few additional safety tips to always keep in mind while using a Bunsen burner. Always know the location of the nearest fire extinguisher and be prepared to put out a fire in an emergency. Never leave a flame unattended for any length of time for any reason.